Hello everyone. Today I will make mixed vegetables, fruits with pita cheese salad. Here are my ingredients: lettuce, grapes, tomatoes, Sisti Italian dressing, olive oil, salt, pita cheese, olives, apple, pepper, cucumber, green onions, celery, and carrots. Okay, guys, I will wash my vegetables and fruits and start cutting it. Now, guys, after I wash the vegetables and fruits, I will mix it together now. And the last one that I will put is the sauce. I'll put the I will put that last. This is the olive oil first. Then the sauce. Here's the olive oil, pita cheese, and the sauce. This is just simple and easy, guys. And you can put oh, I need to mix that. You can put any kind of vegetable you want. Now just mix, mix, mix. I'm not too good with this. I don't want to. I put it at the center just in case I tip it. I tip it over and you spell it. Just in case. Now here is my vegetable fruits, mixed fruits vegetable salad with fettuccine, with pita cheese. Hello guys, this is my salad now. Mix vegetable fruit salad with pita cheese. I got confused while I go with fettuccine in pita cheese. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Here is my here is my salad now. Ready to serve. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.